Hey guys, I am back to vlogging. Maybe, we shall see. But do you remember back in the days when YouTube got really like popular, people used to make like outfit of the days, and that was pretty much the whole video? Well, I used to do that, and so I wanted to bring that back today. I'm gonna do an outfit of the day and then do all the things I love. Next, my current WIPS, and that's for my crocheters out there. And then lastly, I'll finish off the vlog with a $2 million house party here in Texas. It was for work, and I thought you guys might enjoy and see what it's like here in Texas, where the cost of living is still quite affordable. But anyways, yeah, it was a fun party, but I just wanted to start off with the outfit of the day. I already filmed the party, so at the house. Oh my gosh, looking a little rough, guys. I already vlogged the party vlog. And so, yeah, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys this cardigan. I literally just finished this cardigan like last week for my daughter. And, this cardigan took so long. It took me like 2 months because the yarn was like a 3 and there's just so many stitches. And so I have the bobble stitch, and then I have, like, you know, all these variety of stitches, and I'm really loving it. It is a cropped cardigan. It goes all the way, the bobble stitches go all the way in the back, and I am so obsessed with it. It is, yes, May in Texas, but it was like 72 degrees and quite cold in the house because of air conditioning. So yeah, wearing this Benny Under, what's it called? Benny Under shirt. I don't have to wear a bra because it like comes with padding, which is so nice. I wear it like way too often, like once a week. And then I'm also just wearing some wide-legged jeans and a little sneak peek of my purse. It's my Louis Vuitton Eva clutch. She is back in my collection, and I'm just wearing her over the shoulder to, you know, change it up a little bit. So let me show you guys what the full outfit looks like real quick, and then we'll go into showing you guys some of the projects I'm working on. Oh, okay. Yeah, so here's the full outfit. Love it. I am pretty much for the most part staying home all day, so that's why I'm wearing the cardigan at home, because it's quite cold. And when I go out, I'm just gonna take this top off probably, and then just wear it like this casually. But I am, for the most part, gonna wear the cardigan all day because it is very, like, one thing that you'll learn in Texas is that they love to run the AC, like literally love to run the AC. So this cardigan will literally be on all day. All right, guys, let's get into the current WIPS. Alrighty, I just sat down and I noticed, look guys, are we not seeing some similarities here? No, that wasn't on purpose, this is coincidence. Anyways, that will go over there. But yeah, let's show you what we're currently working on, what I'm currently working on. I don't know why I'm saying where, but the first thing that I'm working on is this mohair cardigan. I am obsessed with cardigans. I have been trying to work with mohair, and I just never have been a huge fan of some of the stuff that I've been producing. And so I am going to, I saw Kuzo Knits, excuse me. I saw Kuzo Knit on Instagram post this picture, quite a few pictures of these cardigans and sweaters, and she's selling the pattern, but it looks quite easy. So I'm just gonna do my own version of it, a mohair cardigan. I'm not gonna do it like the same as hers. You'll see the huge difference, but let me show you hers right here. I'm getting inspiration from it. So this will be the back panel. It's gonna be cropped just pretty much like this cardigan. And yeah, super excited, love it. It's gonna be all white and very dreamy and delicate and like feminine. And you guys are very low. Ugh. Okay, so I told myself that I would not do a blanket because blankets take forever and they're so monotonous, and for me, I like to like think about my projects for the most part, not too much, but but here I am. My JT and I sold, helped my mother-in-law sell her condo in Florida, and then she just bought a house in South Carolina, so she's decorating. She really likes like the beachy, like beachy themes, but not like boho beachy, kind of like the like East Coast, like classy beachy. So anyways, I am making this lapkin for her. It is 36 by 48 inches long, so basically enough to cover your lap when you're sitting down or something on a chair. It's bigger than a baby blanket, but smaller than an Afghan. And so yeah, I am using a 10mm hook, and then I'm using 2 things of chunky yarn, and I'm basically just half double crocheting it, and then I'm going to add white tassels at the end. And the yarn that I am using is Premier Bloom Chunky Grande, and it's Bluebell. It's like a gray and blue and white, and then I'm mixing it up and adding some greens, and this is Premier Puzzle, and it's like green. I want to make a cardigan out of this, but they no longer make this. This is Dominoes. I only have 1 more skein of this, so I'm hoping I have enough. But yeah, so essentially these are just 2 strands of like chunky yarn put together, and then I am crocheting this. I'm not a huge fan of, like I said, blankets. It's so boring, so I'm trying to do like a few rows here and there, but honestly it's just so boring. So I'm hoping to finish that very soon, and then finishing this cardigan. And the next thing that I'm working on, I had to stop because of 2 reasons, and the 2 reasons were I thought I was gonna have enough yarn, and then the yarn that I ended up having at the end started tangling up, and then I just lost patience for it. So can you see what this is? Definitely not, but it is the beginnings of a makeup pouch with a zipper. And I am essentially, that's the bottom, and then you kind of like, eventually you'll see it's like a makeup bag, and I was gonna make it star themed, so I'm gonna do some embroidery and appliques on it, and I'm probably gonna do a YouTube tutorial on it because it's gonna be so cool. But I just don't know, I just don't really want to buy more black yarn because I don't like working with black yarn, but I think it'll look really pretty. And I don't want to untangle this either. So this is just like red heart yarn. And so yeah, so that's it. I definitely will be finishing this cardigan this week, and then this blanket, I'm gonna try to slowly work on it, and I should be able to finish it, I hope, in the next couple of weeks. I'm not like really focusing on that, but yeah, I'm not gonna add any more projects for now because I really want to finish this cardigan, and then that makeup bag potentially. But yeah, I have so many ideas, but I'm gonna film a everything I crochet video like quarterly, because I think yearly is just, it takes so long to film that. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the outfit of the day, and then my current work in progresses, and yeah, let's continue on to the party. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I like it.
That is a perfect solution. We are here at, what is this place called? Integrity Homes? No,
Cantera Hills.
Cantera Hills? And I am vlogging, so we can be casual now. Yeah. And so we're at Cantera Hills, and we are here with Integrity Homes. They're having their grand opening. And so this is, well, you want to say a little information about the house?
Are you going to join me?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Should we buy it? Do you want this house or no?
Actually, we'll talk about it later.
Well, I love the scale. This is something, you know, when it comes to real estate, you can redo the floors, you can redo everything, but you can't change the scale of a property.
Tatiana!
No kidding, this fireplace is at least, I don't know, 25, 30 feet tall, and it's gotta be 15 feet wide.
Oh, wow.
It's incredible. If you know me, I don't put TVs in the living room for a reason. Now this is what you call a focal point.
Yeah.
And it's a party.
Oh, I didn't get to show you. I didn't get to show you the big, how big it is, the fireplace. What I really like about Integrity Homes is they tend to have this black wall. So like the other one, they had in their other house that we had our launch party at, we had the black walls too. So yeah. And then Tatiana requested the wine room. Oh, there's the man. There. Ishmael's the owner of Integrity Homes. He did such a good job.
I do like, personally, I do like the richness and the contrast of like the wood and the natural stone. You did a good job, man. Yeah.
I do like the living room, the master. You can be in Oh, no, don't.
It is nice.
Yeah, no, this is a very cute house. Potentially.
I like the chairs too. A lot of space, which I like.
I like this master. I like it a lot.
It's big. And you see, the little wood stuff makes a huge difference. The details, I know they have those in their house too.
Yeah. How many bedrooms is this? It's cute.
I don't know.
Details. They have their own staging person too. So, yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I tried to match the house. So if you go into the living room, you'll see whites and blacks and stuff. And I tried to match the house. What do you think?
You tried to match the house?
I did try to match the house. Did I do okay?
You did really good. That's smart.
Yeah.
Okay, let
me show you guys the bathtub and the shower. It's my favorite. Well, I love especially this. This lighting's so good to put on your makeup and things like that. But check this out. You can take a shower and also a bath. Please come into my room.
The office.
The office. Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
This has got to be 12 foot by 20 foot. I don't know, it's huge.
Yeah, honestly, this is probably one of my
favorite bathrooms of all time.
Yeah, I really like the concept of having showers and then also like a bathtub at the same time. I don't think it filters in, but still, you know, JT will be taking a shower and then I'll take a bath. What do you think, honey?
I think it's really nice.
Yeah.
I might walk into the glass though.
Ooh, be careful. Be careful.
Really nice.
Yeah.
You can see the floors, beautiful, beautiful tile. They're probably, you know, 5-6 inches by 2 feet. Really nice. You've got the glass behind. You got the mansions. It's a brand new home, so I'm sure they're putting a pool in.
Oh wow.
Just hit the market today.
Great space to put on makeup. Let me just put on a little
See, these are the shots I like to get
Let me just put on a little lipstick.
for B-roll purposes.
Do you mind if I put on a little lipstick?
I'd love to.
Thank you.
See, if we had a camera like the new G7X or 3, we would have like the best vlogs because it's easy to vlog on this
It
camera.
really is.
We might have to get that.
This is so nice. I love this bathroom.
It's all good.
Oh wow, the lighting's like amazing. We can't like leave this place, can we?
No, we can't. That's how you know you gotta take the house, Sod. All right, I'm following you, baby.
Okay.
This looks really good.
I think definitely the master and the bathroom is our favorite.
Okay.
And then I really like the tones of the bathroom in here.
Oh, this is nice.
This is cute. It's like very like kind of beachy, right?
Oh, wow. I like the light too. Watch, I'm gonna act like I'm grabbing the door. Just kidding. I know, I need egg.